Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we'll see what is automation testing, key concepts of automation testings, popular automation testing tools, common framework types, then advantages, then disadvantages, then what should be automated. So let's start it. So first up on all, you'll see what is this software automation testing. So is the process of using specialized tools and script to automatically execute test cases, compare actual outcomes with expected results, and report defects. It's particularly useful for repetitive large-scale regression testing, while manual execution would be time-consuming or error-prone. So now we'll see the key concepts of automation testing. So test script, test automation tool, frameworks, and CI/CD integration. These are some concepts, important concepts. So test script is nothing but code written in programming language, Python or Java, that automates test case steps. Then test automation tool. So software used to develop, execute, and report automated test cases. These are the test automation tools. So test automation tool is nothing but the software we use for develop, execute, and report automated test cases. Then framework. So framework is nothing but set of guidelines and best practices to design and execute test efficiently, like data-driven testing, data-driven frameworks, or keyword-driven or hybrid-driven. Depending on which technique you use for automation, the set of guidelines and best practices to design and execute tests efficiently, that we called as a framework. Then CI/CD integration. So automated test can be integrated into continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines to run with every build. So every automation projects or framework we can design to verify some functionality, and using CI/CD integration we can automate test can be integrated into continuous integration or continuous deployment pipelines to run with every build. So now we will see some popular automation testing tools. So web UI, we are using Selenium, Cypress, or Playwright. For mobile testing we can use APM, Espresso, XQ test. Then for API testing, Postman, Rest Assured, and Karate. For test management, we can use TestNG, JUnit, FineTest. For CI/CD, we can use Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI. So that's about the popular automation testing tools. Now we'll see common framework types. So a few of the types, like linear scripting, here record and playback, no reuse. Then modular testing, reusable test modules. Then data-driven testing, use external data, Excel, CSV. Keyword-driven testing uses keywords to define actions, and hybrid-driven combines the above for flexibility. Are nothing but the hybrid, but these are some basic type: linear scriptings, modular testings, data-driven testing, keyword-driven testing. So that are some common framework types, and all these combinedly used, we can call it as a hybrid. So now we'll see the advantages of automation testing. So fast and efficient for repetitive test cases, increased test coverage significantly, reduced human error, support CI/CD for faster release, reusability of test scripts. These are some advantages of automation testing. Now the disadvantages: so high initial investment like tools, framework, training. Then not all test cases can or should be automated. Usability testing we can't automate. Then maintenance of scripts is required when the app changes. These are some advantages. Now we will see what should be automated. So we can repetitive test we can automate, and regression test. High risk functionalities we can automate. Test with multiple data sets we can automate. Performance or load testing we can automate. So in this video we saw what is the software automation testing, key concepts of automation testing, then popular automation testing tools, then we will see common framework types, then we saw advantages of automation testing, disadvantages of automation testing. So mainly automation testing has so many advantages, like it is a very fast and efficient for repetitive test, but if you are going to do it manually you require more time, it is slow and less efficient. So automation testing has more advantages than manual testing. Then increased test coverage significantly. So here also your test coverage gets significantly increases, then reduces human error, supports CI/CD for faster releases, and reusability of test script. These are some of the important advantages of automation testing. So that's it about this video.